Picture yourself in the 2015 GMC Terrain. This vehicle still has fewer than 100,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Answer the call to drive boldly into the future. Modern styling, advanced safety and infotainment tech, and a suite of creature comforts are on board to make every drive secure, confident, and relaxing. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, fog lamps, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.